Hey fam, I'm Debo, and you're watching. Say it. Debo with the vlogs. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And thanks for watching. And click that notification bell to be notified whenever I post. Okay, you guys, we're about to go into Dollar Tree. So make sure you like this video, comment, and subscribe, because you know I'm known for finding all the new finds in Dollar Tree, the hidden finds as well. So make sure you like this video. We out of town in another Dollar Tree. We out of town. So let's go see. Got my mic on and everything. You got your paper. Should be in your hand by now. You got your bag of chips, your drink, your soda, your sweet tea, your iced tea, your green tea, your iced coffee. Whatever you need to be. What is this Dollar Tree over there? Yeah, I told you to hold it over. Well, let's see. They got the candy canes in here, you guys. 30 inches. Candy cane. The one that light up, you stick them in the ground. Man, she finna go to I wonder if they got the sign. The sleighs. I'm looking for that first, you guys, because I've been hunting for them and I have not found it yet. It's like a $7 sign. It's like a welcome type sign, but it says something. It's like, what? Do you see it? What are the door signs? The long sign? We're looking together, you guys. Have a look. You see all the door signs? Look at all these flowers, though. How nice. But they got your wreaths. You got gold, green, and red. And these are $150, not $125. $150. Your bows on this side. They got your bows on this side. What else we got? Tinsels. I guess what it's called. Yeah, tinsel garlands. You got white, red, green, yellow, silver, blue, peppermint ones. Where's the door signs? Oh, look at that sign. 'Tis the season to be fabulous. Like some my aunt would have. Got some black folks on these signs. Christmas blessings. Look for a sign, so I hope I find it. It's this sign. I don't really see any signs in here. Hopefully I'm just overlooking it. But I'm gonna put my fingers crossed. But look at these. Let me show you. Look at these tablecloths. These are nice. I seen a video where Vivian Tries, as a YouTube channel. She turned these nice tablecloths into pillows. She opened the hems in them and stuffed cotton in it from an old pillow and sewed it back up. And it looked like an expensive pillow, like something Hobby Lobby would sell. They got the Joy one. Oh, they say Joy 2. You can do that as a pillow. You can do these. This is a DIY. You can do it yourself. If you know how to stitch and sew, then you good to go. That rhymes. You do that one as a pillow. You just cut a small piece of the seams open, stuff cotton in it, and stitch it back up, and you got you a fancy pillow for $1.25. Oh, they have my sign. Yeah, I know. I've been looking for that one. That's exactly what I've been looking for. She actually found it. Where was it? Is that the one they had left? Oh, thank you. They actually had you guys. I've been looking for this when I get my house. Yeah, that's the one we don't never have. Oh my gosh, I'm looking for this one. They actually have it. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna go back over and see if they got one that ain't as scratched up. I don't know if it's scratched up or not, but I'm putting the bucket for now. Mom, hold the bucket, please. These are $3 bags. They got this one, and they got this one, $3. Oh, look at this one. Look at this one. Look like Home Alone. Let me show you. It's a big bag. Look at this. Look what the story it tells. Look at the story it tells. I'm trying to show you, but see that? If you can't put your glasses on. Yeah, she would go down that aisle. This is new. They have Lotus Volumizing Conditioner made with essential oils. They got the moisturizing shampoo and the volumizing shampoo. Oh, it's $3, not $1. My bad. If you haven't already, give these a try. They have a banana flavor one, but that's the best one, the banana one. But they have mango ones as well. These are coconut milk drinks with little chunks of coconuts in them. You can see it. That's not any type of expiration. That's the coconut chunk. Put this in the fridge and let it get super cold. That junk be so good. So good. We got some Saratoga water, sparkling waters since 1872. Carbonated spring water. Okay. And they got Iceland water up in here. They even got this right here. Zero sugar tropical splash, clearly Canadian. Sparkling water beverage, all natural. They got that one. That looks like it's tropical. This one is forest blackberry. And they have a sparkling mineral water. These are $125. think my aunt said these are pretty good. And I think the one with the actual aloe vera chunks. These are the aloe vera drinks with mango flavor, and they have the regular one. If you see these, grab them up. If you see these, I'm gonna get 2. The mixed berry one is the best one. They got pink sugar martini glowing body scrub with cranberry, honeycrisp apple, and vitamin C. They got sparkling white sangria, pomegranate cinnamon stick. They have these body scrubs, the coffee ones, or the sugar coffee. They got these holiday greeting cards. There's one in the pack. This one, I really like this one, the nativity scene. You know, they got the nutcracker one in the theater. These are kind of nice. You can be fancy with them. I really like the nutcracker one too. This one says what? Tis the season. I really like this one right here. And this one right here. This is pretty cool. Probably $150. I don't know the price on it, but probably $150. But that's pretty cool. It's like a stage. That's neat. They got J79 100% watermelon juice, just fruits, not from concentrate. It says with pulp. I didn't know watermelon had pulp, but hey. And you get 17.57 fluid ounces for $125. And they also have the mango one, just fruits with pulp. I didn't know they had pulp, but $125. Huh? It looks like it would be pretty good. I wonder what the watermelon one tastes like. They got some more of these pink champagne scent boosters, the Bath and Body Works. What it called? Champagne toast dupe. And the Call Me Lavender one, somebody stole it and left the empty jug, and I touched it like a fool. Flavor Boss, I'm not really showing it. Flavor Boss Carolina Gold Wing Sauce and Dip. Heat levels of 1, great for dipping, drenching, and devouring. $125. We have a honey Thai. Ooh, no, I'm not even showing it.
I drank your drink.
A honey high Thai chili sauce. Heat levels of 2. And we have a smoky apricot barbecue. Which one would you try? Smoked apricot barbecue. Heat levels of 1. And we have a spicy bold jalapeno sauce. These are all 4 fluid ounces. All 4 fluid ounces, and they're $125. Got hot honey over here. Put this in your purse. This is a pretty good size for $125. And it is 6 ounces. Yep. Cream filled mini strawberry flavored cookies. These are 3 ounces, 85 grams, strawberry flavored cream. We got Lito coated wafers with hazelnut cream filling. Would you try these? Would you try these? These are 2.3 ounces. That's the weight. I was trying to show my mom that they have biscuits in here. You get 12 in the pack. If you need biscuits, and you in Dollar Tree, $4, 12 in the pack. Yeah, Country Road buttermilk biscuits, ready to bake, 12 in the pack. Remember to make sure you like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this one. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Comment what was your favorite find in today's Dollar Tree video. Comment what was your favorite find in today's Dollar Tree video. And share this video however you see fit so everybody can see it and get the word out. Just keep on looking. We got the crew with us today. Sean got on the rice shirt and Brian got on Looney Tunes, I'm thinking. I like peanut butter. And Mama, she had on a Snickers scripture shirt.
I got on my Snickers.
Yeah, what shirt say, Mom?
Hungry, grab a scripture. Blessed are those hunger and thirst for righteousness, for they will be filled. Matthew chapter 5, verse 6.
Yeah, I thought Mom was gonna read it. Just something Mom did have in her kitchen. It says simmer down and just roll with it. They got ramen noodles. Stretch them, knot them, and squish them.
Ramen noodles. Is that edible?
Squish them.
Is it edible?
125. Why would it be edible? It's a toy.
It's a toy.
No, it's
neato.
You guys, you remember when it came out?
I would eat this.
The mint chocolate pretzels way back when. Which they would bring us back, but it did not.
Because I would actually eat this.
Honey Rescue Foot Glaze. Honey Rescue Foot Glaze. Ceramides and floral extracts. Nourish and renew. It's 3.5 ounces. $125. Can I try that? Look, they got these little gift sets. Body Rave shower set. You get a sugar cookie scented shower gel and I'm guessing a body scrub. $125. Is this whole box $125? There's a whole bunch of them up here. This is a Eco Salon wax with organic hemp or total body hair removal that's good for you and the environment. Huh? 125. You get a whole box. 125 for this. A whole box of 125. This is good to have in your purse. This is Gurunanda butter on gums, 3 brushes that already have toothpaste on them. This is travel, so if you want to go and you ate something with onions in it, and your breath smell bad, pull one of these out your purse. They're all individually wrapped. You get 3 in a pack for 125 and brush your teeth. Just that simple. You can't say you ain't got nothing to brush your teeth with. Dollar Tree sell it. Toothpaste and the toothbrushes for $1. 3 in a pack.
You can eat peach smoothie yogurt.
Trey, you can't eat that.
It's yogurt.
Trey, you act like why would you be able to eat that?
Well, that's the next of the peach.
Ice cream flavor toothpaste again. They got cookies and cream.
Did it actually taste like it?
I haven't used them yet. Mint chocolate chip. I think my aunt would like the mint chocolate chip one. And they have chocolate. I think my cousin Khalila would like the chocolate one. They had another flavor too. Oh yeah, vanilla.
Because if I buy it and it's nasty, what you gonna do?
That's on you. I didn't tell you about it. Alright you guys, that's it for that video. I hope you enjoyed that video. Which I know you did because you stayed this far. But make sure you like it and comment what was your favorite find from this new Dollar Tree haul video / new finds. You saw how excited I was when I saw that sign I finally been looking for. I done went to 8 different Dollar Trees and not found it yet. But thanks for watching and subscribe to my channel. Click that notification bell to be what? Notified whenever I post. Thanks for watching. Have a nice night.